Meaning of exosphere.
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 Exosphere. The exosphere is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere, extending from about 500 kilometers to 10,000 kilometers above the surface. Within this layer, the density of gas particles is extremely low and they tend to move in a straight line until they escape into space. The exosphere is where the Earth's atmosphere becomes indistinguishable from outer space. It is also where many satellites orbit the Earth. The lack of significant air molecules in this layer means that temperatures can fluctuate wildly between day and night, ranging from hundreds of degrees Celsius to near absolute zero.